Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram account. You are in the right place, so let's start. First, open your Google account and type Instagram create account. Now click on sign up of an Instagram account, then click on sign up, then enter details, mobile number or your email, then password, full name and username, and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, confirmation code sent to your email account. So check your email and enter the code on here and then click on next. Then create your password and click on save logins. Then enter your date of birth. It's a fake account and I can enter fake info for you. So you can set maybe like this and then click on set and click on next. Now enter your name which you give your account name, then I can enter my website name A1 Trend 365. After typing all this detail, I can click on next. It's simple, quick, easy. If you follow these steps, you can make this account on your PC or mobile phone. Then username is also saved, then agree, terms and conditions. Now I can skip to add the picture of my website and move forward. Now my Instagram account is create. Click on next. It helps to add contacts on your Instagram account. Now I can access to my mobile phone to all my contacts, then click on skip. After clicking all this, I can move toward actual account Instagram which I create. If you want to follow people, then you select it. Now this type of dashboard appear in front of me. Now I can check my profile. I want to add the profile of my account. Here's the logo of my website and then I save it. After I save it, now I want to share photos on there, so I can select photo from my computer. It's related to the events and click on next. If you like filters, then you can choose on there. I don't like it, so I can click on share. Add share on my new Instagram account. So I will refresh my account. This will be appear in front of you. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.